Welcome everyone. Put these rings in the launcher. Pull gently. You will experience this 1960s US tabletop ring toss game. In its current rusty state, playing it perfectly is quite difficult. Actually, very difficult. In this video, the one taking it apart is our restoration expert, Zhao. Beyond a perfect fix. He will also build custom game accessories. After taking it apart, we use sandblasting to remove old paint and rust. The material used here is steel grit. After sandblasting, parts look aligned. We apply white powder. Coating on them? Once evenly coated, they need heating to fully cure. For a better surface, we sand the primer. For the main body, Zhao uses the original red. The paint is done. How does this look? To all of you. Next up, for the required decals, Zhao uses a CNC cutting method. He uses a CNC cutter. Basically, it is like a hybrid of a printer and a cutting plotter. But it cuts non-metals. After cutting decals, he applies transfer tape. For easier placement, to add depth. To these labels, Zhao prints white ones. This way, stacking blue and white creates a better look. If you notice, the four corners have small blocks. They aren't decals, but alignment marks. These blocks are registration marks. Crosses or circles, xenon stickers, serve the same purpose. Now apply the scores. And all decals are set. To make this game more fun to play, Zhao made custom accessories. This 3D print is a custom storage box designed for this game. Looking at the print, it is a bit large. It needs splitting and super glue to assemble the parts. These black panels, besides showing the logo, have a special function. This function needs small magnets. These magnets will be glued to the four corners. Their purpose is to attach the upcoming wooden scoreboards. This machine here is a desktop CNC mill. Unlike the cutter for fabrics and stickers, this machine can process metal. Compared to desktop CNC machines we have seen, the big difference is its auto tool changer. Isn't that crazy? It doesn't just save time, it lets the machine run like industrial machining centers. Continuously drilling, milling, and carving all need different tools. And each tool varies in size. Previously, each change required recalibration and re-zeroing. This causes errors. With the auto changer, the system does it all while keeping precision. Keeping precision is its true value. It is the best part over manual changes. Changing tools isn't hard. Even basic CNCs take just seconds to a few minutes. The real hassle is recalibrating after every change. Besides auto tool changing, this CNC mill also supports laser functions. Next are the score pegs. Without hesitation, Zhao decides to make them all using the desktop CNC. He employs a turn mill combo method for cylindrical parts. A standard lathe would be simpler, so we can assume Zhao is just showing off his new equipment. After trimming, he uses a custom mold and a star knob to secure the pegs firmly fixed. Once pegs are done, we move to assembly. Put everything together. For accurate assembly, Zhao once again made specific tools. Similar restoration videos are on Douyin Select. It gathers many great, relaxing creators. While relaxing, you learn a lot. To see more, check Douyin Select. Every video is a gem. After assembling the body, Zhao printed many red and blue rings and score sticks. Now, with all parts ready, this 1960s tabletop ring toss is fully restored. Before playing, let's learn the rules. Set up all items. Needed for the game. Choose your player. Player 1 or Player 2. Will your pick win? To be fair. Each gets 2 tries before the real game. Player 1 is a bit weak. He only hit 5, scoring 375. Let's see player 2. After practice, we start. There's always someone better. Player 2 also hit 5, scoring just 275. Next round. Let's see who reaches 1,000 first to claim the victory. Much better this time. Player 1 scored 975. So close. As for player 2, with prior experience, he improved a lot. The final score is 1050. Congrats to player 2 fans. If you won, treat yourself to a snack. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye for now. Thanks for visiting Max's shop. Bye.